Hi, sociologists. I hope you're doing well today. I wanted to check in, send you a little message, and run through what's happening. So, you guys are powering through the entire, I don't know, 3 months of class in a really ridiculously short time. But you're troopers, you're sticking with it, and you're doing the Media and Technology Week this week, so I just wanted to run that kind of past you and make sure that feels okay. I think you're just going to probably have a lot to say about media and technology because it certainly is a big part of most people's lives at this point. So you have that post due on the 30th, and then I want to show you what's coming next, and I want to make you aware of a couple things. So stratification is going to be the next topic, which is going to open tomorrow. And pretty much, I mean, you're always welcome to read ahead. And like I said, the syllabus has everything, so you can always find it on the syllabus, like what's next, if you're curious or you don't like to wait. But I do want to just let you know that after stratification is the midterm, and I'm going to open that on the 30th as well. So you're just going to have that available to you right away before you're going to finish social class and social stratification with the post that's due on the 2nd, but you're going to have the midterm while you're working on this material, so that way you can have a little extra time. Normally I wouldn't open it, but it's summer, so you can just rock it out whenever you feel like it. Here it is. It's 8 questions. It's a take home. Here's a rubric, so everything you need is there. I know I'm going really fast because I don't want you to look at it yet. No, I don't really care. So you'll see it tomorrow or by midnight tonight, whatever, if you stay up till midnight. And yeah, so that's where we're at. And in terms of stratification is kind of the idea that we in a society are all kind of layered into different categories based on what, if you're looking at it through a Marxist analysis, you would look at it as haves or have-nots. Weber, who is another classic theorist that you should be looking at, I'm sure you're looking at it because you're reading the book, Max Weber, he looks at it in terms of property, prestige, and power. And that kind of means like we're all stratified by those 3 categories in the sense that, based on what we do, pretty much, in capitalism, based on what you do, kind of dictates where you sit in the strata. So you can have a lot of wealth, but maybe not have a prestigious job, and then you don't sit at the same strata as like maybe a U.S. Supreme Court judge. But you can be really rich, right? And you can get it through other means, but that doesn't put you on the same level. So class is one of those weird kind of things. I'm hoping you have the People Like Us film in here, which is hysterical. You have to watch it. Let's see, do I have it here? Oh, please tell me I have it here. Oh, poop. Okay, I'm going to upload it because it's really, really funny. Let's see, maybe it's in here. No, that's not it. Okay, I'm sorry. Sometimes my modules they get away from me. So I will upload it because it's a funny kind of look into social class, and it makes you crack up, or it made me crack up. Maybe that's because I'm easily amused. But anyways, all right, so that's where we're at. Always email me with any questions you have, and keep doing what you're doing because you guys are all doing really well. If you got feedback on your paper about editing, though, my suggestion is that you get this midterm edited. You have 6 days to get it written, so it really makes sense to turn in work that's been edited, especially if I give you time. This isn't like a time test. You have all the time you need. So I am looking for quality writing in this midterm. All right? So thank you, and I will see you in the modules. Bye.